All right, so we have that midterm coming up on Monday, okay? All right, so that starts on chapter 9, which is the flow rate is velocity times area. And we also did that when we had changing pipe diameters. Okay. So chapter 9 is flow rate. Chapter 10 is energy. Okay, so there's three kinds of energy, which we call head, elevation, pressure, and velocity. There's also head loss, which is energy that goes out of the system. Okay, then we did what's called Bernoulli's equation, which we did on a chart, so I just call that using the chart. And then we did hydraulic grade line. Okay. All right, and then we got chapter 11, which is head loss, basically the theory of it, what causes and doesn't cause head loss. Laminar and turbulent flow, what the difference is, the Reynolds number, the Darcy-Weisbach stuff. I don't think I'll put Reynolds number on there, and I don't think I'll put Darcy-Weisbach on there, okay?
Thank you.
Yeah, it's fine. I just put one on there just to have you go through it once. Okay, but there will be the Hayes and Williams stuff and a head loss chart for C100 and C not equal to 100. And then we did the minor losses, which are losses in fittings using the equivalent length approach. And then system analysis, I won't put that on there either, okay? All right, so probably what you ought to get ready to do on Monday is do a velocity times area is flow rate, or maybe, the reverse, velocity is flow rate over area, something like that. You're probably going to set up some charts and find some velocity or pressures and things like that at different points. We also kind of worked them out where you found a pipe size or you found a flow rate, if you remember, for a required pressure at the other end of a system. Hydraulic grade line could be on there. And there'll probably be a minor loss kind of problem on there too. All right, then I've got and just some old test questions, which you could have a look at, just see kind of what these things look like. The first one is how would pressure and how rough the pipe is affect the head loss. The second one there is you've got a certain velocity coming in to a 15-inch diameter pipe. What would be the velocity coming out of a 5-inch pipe? Then you want to find the pressure at B, find the head loss for that half-open gate valve with the pipes on it, and then for that situation at the bottom, find the required pipe size if you need 20 psi at the hydrant. Okay. So that's just some old example problems. We could go over those on Friday, maybe, I think. That'd be the thing to do. So you might look them over before then just to see how you could work through those. So that's kind of what's coming up on Monday. All right, so any questions on that? I'll cover the problems on Friday, I think. All right, so that's kind of where we're at with that. All right.